I'm just putting an X. Oh, okay.
Which I guess they didn't hear me.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, yeah. Sounds fantastic.
I want to borrow that. Can I borrow that? We like it, and then when people come in, you know, I've sold diatoms because I've used them, but there is something new now that I think we should try. It does look nice.
It's the best one.
It's a whole lot easier than having water all over the floor, I guarantee you. Okay,
I don't think it's that bad. Possibly a parasite, but
oh, I might go in debt.
some of the skin on the fish's side, but not so much the actual seed.
Situates with a nut. It's likely to accumulate within
Take a look at it. This is a $22 cake.
Where you going? I got an order and I'm waiting around.
Oh, that's more important. Yes, I'll take care of my other thing.
You're ready to go.
Okay? Get some information from you.
Goodbye, Earl. Bye.
Oh, Mary, we have no weapons. You can't have another target, a visible target, then name the fence. I grew tired of asking this. It's going to be the last time. Where is the rebel base? Dantu. They're on Dantooine.
In this particular one, it's the same one. And it makes no difference at all.
question? Steve's a crazy guy.
Or
I
without.
think that you're honest. Oh. Pick it up next week.
Thank you. That's not
Girl with her finger in her ear.
I don't know whether
Pop it through. You're ready to go. It's $1.10. It's just a little under 2 ounces. But, I think it's going to be a real good item.
Let's say the hoses are coming out.
Get them girls drinking because I want to show it to their boss.
They're from Wyoming. Casper.
Casper, Wyoming.
Show me all of them. Just whatever these wholesalers carry around here.
For us, it's your athletic screw. There's more of them back there. There's back there too.
It started like that and then he beat my car to death.
that looks like steel.
This is the backside.
That's true, we're pointing in the right direction.
Her side.
We got the front window still.
It's a brand new window.
It's very...
It doesn't hurt much now. Unless it gets good.
again.
I'm getting tired of catching all this arms fall apart.
What time is that?
Smile, girl. That's a flat
Camera. Hi, Mom.
I need to have.
Okay.
I need 2 extra cards.
20% off. It goes about these on special. For the small, $9 a bill off.
Talking with the impellers going on.
I didn't say
Well,
that.
not a lot. I guess
Okay, I'll come
we haven't talked about it for a while.
Double strength C guys. And then on the standard features, the slide out trail, floor grade. Extra heavy duty casters. And you need them because this cage weighs about 70 pounds. It's very stiff. It does come with a point purchase card, so you should have it set up and not
Completely immersed. No, but you can. Well, that's too weird.
How come he doesn't have these all completely immersed? Because it says that.
I don't know. It's probably You're asking me, I'm the wrong person to ask.
This is something that I can tell you right now. Is that not something that people are going to look for?
Eventually, when they have it in there, otherwise, that's what I used to get. It doesn't put it in. Check We also have a flow control which we recommend you use when you feed your fish. And the full capacity is over 150 gallons an hour. The flow control.
I apologize. That's the way I prefer to do that.
You notice if you look at the flow here, unlike all the other filters, which just dump in.
Don't get on my I like it. It's all crazy, Let's go watch the movie.
Is there is a microphone in there.
No.
Silence.
Tell me you wouldn't put now.
And the customer is an annoyance. I got so much work to do and I gotta wait on this dumb person. They probably just want a box of parakeet seed. Well, what are you there for? Sell a box of parakeet seed? Sell a box of dog biscuits? Sell rawhide bones? Whatever you're there for. That customer is your existence, your reason for existence. They should be treated like you yourself would want to be treated when you go into the store. And how many times have you gone into a department store? Federated May Company, the biggest. Millions of dollars worth of business. The salesperson doesn't have time for you. There's the two gals behind the cosmetics counter and they're just having a ball. Yeah. And you're sitting there with a purchase. Oh, we'll be with you in a minute. No, did you remember when Joe, did he call you? And then last night when we went out, Hey, don't forget that customer. They're the reason you're there. Do you take the time to merchandise your store? Do you take the time to make it look like you're there to do business? Or do you make it look shabby? Do you even spend any time to front your shelves? Everybody know what fronting a shelf is? Making your store look full. You should never see a piece of pegboard or a shelf in the store. Sometimes that's difficult where we're working on a limited budget, but there's ways to get around. There's ways to do it. When we make the store look attractive, give the people a reason to buy. We'll go into a lot of that in a minute. All of this, let's see what else I got down there. All of this type of atmosphere, creating a selling atmosphere, I like to refer to as visuals. Because the eye sees